cozy pet project, main campus, guys. This is such an exciting day. We put an early bird hold on a sweet little dog that I am picking up today from my mom. So in true Lara form, I didn't read the directions. It says right here he's getting neutered today, so I can't get him till 3. So I'm hanging out, got coffee, gonna look at all the cute dogs, and relax a little for me. Aww, baby. Hi, sweetie. You're so quiet. Aww. Sorry.
You found her?
Yeah, she's
Okay. She'll walk for me, or should we carry her?
Good girl.
You're just gonna walk with me. Okay, come here. What do you think? I'll walk with you and take her to the.
His story is that his owner did come to reclaim him the first time he got out, so I don't know if he's a little escape artist or what. And then after that, he came back a second time and the owner didn't come back. So we're coming for you, Granny. So excited? Are you so excited? A thirsty little guy. Yeah, he's so thirsty. So he just got neutered, so he should be tired, but he was very happy to break out of there. You all done? Good boy. There you are. He's a good boy. It's up here, and he can't fit. It's too far. So I'm gonna have to pull over and see if he wants to come sit by me. Wait. Oh. Shh. Good. Stay. Good boy. All right. You ready for me to get you out? Good. This guy needs a little leash training, and that will be fine. This way. You ready to keep going? Where are we going? Oh, that's adorable. He's a good boy. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. I smell like a restaurant. See, he wants to take off. Come this way. Good boy. A little exploring. Say, here's my new car. Are you going to back? Are you going to go in the back? I'm going to miss you. I can't wait to come visit. Bye, big guy. See you later, handsome. This where you